Green bean casserole to start. Got briquettes going because briquettes are easier to use in the shop. Don't worry, I'm not going to carbon monoxide myself. Alright, this is the green bean casserole. I'll get it good and hot, and then we'll put the top on it, and I'll cover it a little more from the top with a few of these once it gets good and hot. That's a great way to do that. Of course, you got to have one of these little Dutch ovens. It's hard to get anymore. Okay, stuffing on the bottom, turkey breast, cranberry sauce on top. We'll see how this turns out. So, it's not hot yet, I can get a hold of it. This is the trivets that I do. And they work very well. They fold up. And if you're cooking like in one of these, if you're using your chicken cooker, like this, as a Dutch oven, having a trivet is an easy way to keep your pot up off of your coals. You don't want to have your pot sitting directly on your coals because you will scald everything. Or crush your coals out and everything will go out. This Dutch oven is really too tall for these biscuits, but I'll just stack some extra charcoal briquettes on it and get a little more heat in the top of it, and we'll see how it works out. Let's see how my turkey turned out, shall we? I just brushed off the... Oh, pretty good. I think that'll work. And there's the gravy. To go on the mashed potatoes that I did. I bet these are coming along. We'll check them in a minute. Well, I think it's time to plate up. So let's see here. Here's the turkey with the cranberry. There's the green bean casserole. That's the gravy. Potatoes over here. And the biscuits. Biscuits will be done by the time I get plated up. So, there you go. Well, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. You know, just remember that it's okay to be alone. Sometimes it's better to be alone than be with a company that you have to be with. I mean, you know, you could be in prison or be with a bunch of phony fools. Get hot and hit it, always wear your safety squints. And there's the biscuits. I need a full-time videographer. I can't cook and do all the video work too. If anybody is applying, you get the benefit of having me cook too. So there you go.